How to use Roblox FPS Unlocker. So first, what you want to do is just simply click on the link that I will put in the description. So the link will bring you right here to this website. So just simply click on the copy button here on the right side, just besides the download button. So click on copy, then exit out of the browser. Now right click on your desktop, go to new, then click on text document. Once it's done, just simply rename this to client app settings. So make sure that it is the same and replace this .txt to .json just like so, and click on enter and click on yes. Once that's done, just open this up and paste the file that we had earlier. So this is the one, so just simply paste it, paste the one that we copied on the website, and once that's done, just simply exit out of it first. Now, what you need to do is just simply click on your Windows menu and search for Roblox. Right click on Roblox and click on Open File Location. It will bring you right here and right click on Roblox Player again and click on Open File Location again. And it will bring you to the Roblox files on your computer. Now what we need to do is just simply right click on any empty space here on the folder and click on New and click on Folder right here. And once that's done, just simply type in client settings. So name the folder like this. Once that's done, open up the folder and move the text file that we had earlier to this folder that we made. And just click on continue. Once that's done, just open up the text file right here. And this is the one that we had. And now just change the file or the value here. So it depends on your computer, but for me, I just want 240 FPS. So I'm just going to set it to 240. It's up to you what you want. Once it's done, just click on file, then click on save. Now just go back, exit out. Now you can just open your Roblox, and that's how you basically use the Roblox FPS Unlocker.